Understanding the median. Hello everyone and welcome to our math video. Today, we're excited to explore the concept of the median, a key measure of central tendency in statistics. I'm Avigail Gondraneus, along with my group mates Sue, Andal, De La Cruz, and Lebria. We are here to show you what the median is, how to calculate it, and why is it useful in our everyday life. Think about a situation where you want to know the middle value in a set of data, like finding the middle score in a test or the middle income in a neighborhood. That's exactly where the median comes in. Let's get started.
Hi, my name is Edcel Jr. So let's define the median. What is median? The median is the middle value in the list of the number that has been arranged in order. To find the median, the first step is to arrange the number in either ascending or descending order. This is ascending order. Second step, if there is an odd number of the values, the median is 1 in the middle. Since there are 5 numbers, the median is the third number, which is 5. Step 3. How about if there is an even number, like this set of numbers, 8, 4, 12, 10? If there is an even number of values, the median is the average of the two middle numbers. But how do we determine the median in that situation? First, we arrange the number in the order, ascending or descending. Like this one. I arrange it in ascending order. After arranging, identify the two middle numbers in the set. The middle here is 8 and 10. Find the average of these two middle numbers by adding them and dividing them by 2. 8 plus 10 is equal to 18. Then divided it into 2 is equal to 9. And that is the median in this set of numbers. There you have it. The answer to the question, what is median?
Hi, I'm Clea Andal, and today I am going to teach you how to find median and how to calculate it. Now, let's see the median in action with a practical example. Let's read this simple situation. Imagine a teacher wants to find the median test score for 5 students. Their scores are 82, 78, 81, 68, and 85. So, how do we find the median? With 3 easy steps, you will find the median depends on whether you had an even or odd number of data points. Now, let's go back to our example. To determine the median, we need to use the 3-step to find the middle value. First, we have to arrange the dataset in ascending order or from smallest to largest number. Our dataset here is 82, 78, 81, 68, and 85. Let's arrange these in ascending order. This is our final dataset. Now, let's move to our next step. Our second step is to determine if the dataset size is odd or even. According to our final dataset, our dataset size is odd number. You can count the number of data points in your sorted dataset to determine if the dataset size is odd or even. To find the median, you just need to count both left and right numbers of dataset. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Our median in this dataset is 81. Always remember that if the data point is odd number, the median is the middle value of the dataset. How about if the dataset is even number? I have here a dataset example. So let's use the 3 steps to find the median. I arrange this into ascending order. After arranging, identify if it is even or odd. This set is even number. Let's count both left and right to find the middle value. So we find two numbers in the middle. What we're going to do, we will just take the average of the two middle number. 24 plus 33, and we will divide it by 2. 24 plus 33 is equal to 57. 57 divided 2 is equal to 28.5. Our median in this dataset is 28.5. Let's try this another example. Repeat the 3 steps. Arrange 17, 20, 37, 55, 68, 74, 88, and 93. Second step, determine if it is even or odd. So there are 8 numbers, so this is an even number. Now let's find the two middle numbers. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Our two middle numbers are 55 and 68. Now let's add this and divide it by 2. 55 plus 68 is equal to 123. 123 divided 2 is equal to 61.5. Did you get it right? Great job! Do you want to know the most common pitfalls in finding the median? Let's watch this.
Hi everyone, I'm Chin Chin Su. Have you ever struggled to calculate the median correctly? Many people do. When calculating the median, there are a few common mistakes to be aware of. Mistake number 1, not arranging the numbers correctly before identifying the middle value. Since it has two pairs of the same number, you'll have two middle values. If the numbers are not arranged correctly, you will select the wrong numbers as the middle values. This will result in an incorrect calculation of the median. The accuracy of the median, a measure of central tendency, depends entirely on the correct ordering of the data. This incorrect median would then lead to potential misinterpretation in any further analysis. Mistake number 2, forgetting to average the two middle numbers when the data set has an even number of values. If you forget to average the two middle numbers when dealing with an even number of values in a dataset, you will get an inaccurate median. Tips to avoid errors. Always sort your data first. Sorting the data from smallest to largest allow us to easily find the middle value. And also double check whether you have an even or odd number of values to determine the correct method for finding the median. If you don't check the number of values, you might incorrectly calculate the median by simply selecting one of the middle values in an even dataset, leading to an inaccurate representation of the central tendency. Now let us know why the median is important.
Why the median is important? The median is important because it gives us an idea of the typical value in a dataset, especially when the numbers are spread out unevenly. It helps us get a better sense of what is normal or common in a set of data. The median represents the middle value of a dataset when all values are arranged from smallest to largest. For example, The median in this dataset is 19. The median also represents the 50th percentile. Exactly half the value in the dataset are larger than the median, and half are lower. The median is an important metric because it gives an idea of where the center of a dataset is located. For example, suppose we have a dataset that contains the selling price of 10,000 different homes in a certain city. Instead of staring at rows and rows of raw data, we can calculate the median value to quickly understand the middle selling price of homes in the city. By knowing that the median selling price is $271,000, we know that exactly half of the 10,000 homes sold for more than this amount and half sold for less. Now you understand why the median is important. Next, you will know when can we use the median.
So, when can we use the median?
The median is a great choice when the data is uneven. If the numbers are spread out in a way that is not balanced, the median gives a better sense of the typical value. We can also use it when there are extreme values. If there are very high or very low numbers that don't reflect the majority of the group. The median will help us understand the middle value better. In terms of situations like this, using the median can make sure that we don't get misled by the unusual values in the given datas. Next, you will know how the median is used in real-life situations.
Hello, I'm Annielyn. Now let's look at how the median is used in real-life situations. The median is a useful statistic because it gives a better idea of the typical value in a data set when there are outliers. For instance, in income data, a few very high or very low incomes can skew the average, but the median provides a more representative middle value. To summarize our video, we define the median as the middle value in an order list. We demonstrated how to calculate it with both odd and even numbers of values. We discussed common pitfalls and tips for accurate calculation. Finally, we look at real-life applications where the median is particularly useful.
Thank you for watching! We hope you now have a clear understanding of how to find and use the median. Be sure to try out a few problems on your own and share your thoughts or questions to us.